Orange. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Janice and this is Kingston. Hey guys, so today we're doing the Don't Push the Wrong Button Slap Challenge. Yay! So basically there are 4 buttons in front of us. Only one of them works and the rest do not. If we push the wrong button, then we have to pick an ingredient from the bad ingredients bowl. Oh my god guys, there's so many crazy items. If you pick the right button, you get all of these ingredients in front of us. Wow. Give me all of them. I'm gonna get every single one you put in my slime. No, you won't. Yes, I will. At the end, you guys are gonna comment down below who made the better slime. But before we start the challenge, we have shoutouts to Desara, Nina, Vidal, Kit Kat 88, Tammy Twilopena, Barbie Lifely, Marquis Dawson, Famida Shankar, T-World, Alex Santos, Jana Abdo Elgawad, Kevon Miss Ho, and Funny Randoms. Thank you for your support. If you want to get a shout out in the next video, you need a like, subscribe, and comment down below you did it and that you want a shout out. If you didn't get a shout out yet, do not worry because we will make sure everyone will get a shout out. Rock, paper, scissors, who gets to push first? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Yay! I get to push the buttons first! Yes! Yeah! Round 1! Okay guys, I'm really nervous because I'm going to push a button first. Oh my god, which one should I pick? I do not want to pick from the bowl. I want to pick orange. I picked the wrong button. That means I have to pick something from the bowl of doom. Lotion. I think that's the best thing in the bowl. Yes. Oh my god, that's so satisfying. Round 2! Okay guys, so now I'm going to pick the button. Last time Kingston pressed the pink button and he got all the pink glitter glues. So I'm going to press the pink button. I get all of the blue glitter glues. Oh my god, that's so lucky. Does that mean I have to pick a bad ingredient? Yes! That's not me. I didn't even pick a button. Too bad, Kingston. Pick something already. Vinegar. Go! Whoa! That's so much. Ew! So disgusting. So sour. Okay, that is enough. Actually, I'm just gonna throw the whole thing in because I want to know what vinegar does to your slime. You're weird. But I'm gonna add. Oh my god, Kingston, that was a bad idea. Round 3! We have purple foam balls, clear glue, shaving cream, and white foam beads. Yay! I am pressing a button first. I don't want to press pink anymore. I'm bored of it, so I'm gonna press blue. Dang it! Yes! That means I have to pick something from the bowl of doom. I think I'm gonna pick shampoo. Green. Oh no! Hopefully this doesn't ruin my slime. Oh my god, it's coming out so fast. And it's yellow! No! Okay. I think that's enough. That's enough foam balls. And now I'm gonna add my white foam balls. Sprinkle it. No, you're so good at this game.
Okay, and now it's time for the we need to create more.
Oh no, I do not want to get another bad ingredient. Oh my goodness. So we have white glitter, gold glitter, blue glitter,
Beautiful.
and red glitter. Ooh la la.
Amazing.
Orange. Will whipped cream make fluffy slime?
Maybe.
One way to find out. I'm going to pick whipped cream. This is so cold. I wonder what it's gonna do to
Let
my
me feel.
slime.
Oh yeah, there is cold. Ha! I feel like blue is on my side. I feel like blue.
Yes. Okay, you get to pick from the bowl of dough. Oh, mustard. That's gonna ruin your slime.
Stop.
Yes!
Here is the bowl of dough.
No good ingredients in this.
And now the moment you've all been waiting for.
No. I'm going to pick cereal. I don't know what this is gonna do to my slime. Is it gonna poke my fingers? This is super duper crunchy. Oh, maybe it'll make a crunchy slime. Oh no! That is so much whipped cream. I want it to be
like a
fluffy.
cake.
Yeah, it looks like a cake. Oh my god. Oh, I know. I'm going to add cereal on top.
Well, now I'm gonna add my beautiful glitters. Look at that glitter, guys. It looks so pretty. Now let's sprinkle it. Wow, that's so pretty. Whoa! So pretty.
Okay,
Ooh la
now I'm going to
la.
add my cereal. So I have a rainbow right here. I'm gonna put it right there. Perfect. I have a shooting star. Put it right there. Another rainbow over here. Unicorn. I have to put this everywhere. So I'm going to put it right on the middle. This is amazing. What else do we have here? We have a moon, a beautiful moon. I'm going to put it right here. Beautiful.
Okay, now it's time to add my pink glitter. Oh yes, oh yes. Let's go.
Wow, that looks so glittery.
Yes. The shaving cream looks like a rainbow. Poof.
Round one.
Also known as the last round. So we have blue clear glue, 2 yellow clear glue, and red clear glue.
And I'm going to pick blue. Yes! I got it all of these amazing glues. And you have to pick from the bowl of
Dun, dun.
pretzels. Like pretzels.
Because I like to eat pretzels.
Woohoo! Wow! Whoa! Whoa! That's so cool! It's turning green! Wow, I love this green. It's super bright! Oh my god, it's turning pink! Oh my god, yes! Whoa, that's turning purple. That's really, really interesting. Wow.
So guys, my boat looks like a unicorn in the sky because the glitters is super shiny and a super rainbow, which makes it look like a unicorn. And the shaving cream are the clouds. They're the massive clouds that float in the beautiful sky.
Okay guys, so my bowl looks like a unicorn. The middle looks like the unicorn, and there's so much green, purple, and red. And I put lots of whipped cream, and hopefully it turned into a fluffy slime. And I put lots of cereal marshmallows, and it looks super duper cool. Whoa.
Now let's mix our slimes.
Wait! First, we got a challenge for you! We want to see if you can give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell in 8 seconds! You ready for this? Here we go! 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done! If you can do that, comment down below. #JKSquad!
Shiny.
Whoa, guys, look at my slime. The middle's so pastel and rainbow.
Look at my slime. It's just basically like shaving cream took over. I barely even see the glue.
Whoa, guys, look at this part. It looks like a unicorn. There's some pink and blue. Whoa, the perfect mixture. So guys, we're gonna keep on mixing our slimes, and we'll see you guys in 3, 2, 1. So guys, this is our slime.
So guys, my slime looks like a pink cloud. And look at that pretzel, guys. Whoa, it looks so beautiful in the slime. It gives it a really, really nice texture. Wow, this slime's amazing! I love it so much. So guys, if you think my slime won, comment down below. #pinkfluff.
So guys, this is my slime. It turned out to be really cool and interesting. And it turned out to be a really light shade of green. And also, some of the marshmallows melted. But look at this, guys. Whoa, I can shake it and explode it. Whoa, it's a bit sticky, but it's really, really cool. Wow, look at that. So if you guys think my slime won, comment down below. #green marshmallow.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to like,
subscribe, and smash that notification bell. We'll see you next time. Bye!
Thanks for watching, everybody. We hope you liked it.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the icon on the right and a little theme will pop up and you get to subscribe.
Click on one of the pictures to see more fun videos.
Remember to like and share.